I used to think I was a studying machine. I had the books, the pens, the colorful sticky notes, and the confidence of a squirrel that just found a stash of acorns. But then came the day. I sat at my desk, opened my textbook, and suddenly found myself Googling how to train a goldfish. Don't ask me why. Apparently my brain decided that was more important than my final exam. And that's when it hit me. I wasn't lazy. I wasn't bad at studying. I was simply out of fuel. See, motivation is like a phone battery. If you just keep running apps, assignments, deadlines, group projects without charging, you're going to end up with the mental energy of a potato. The problem? We treat motivation like it's supposed to magically appear every morning. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. It's not the tooth fairy. It's more like that one friend who only shows up when there's free food. So how do you fix it? First, stop waiting for perfect conditions. Your desk doesn't need to look like a Pinterest post. If there's an open space big enough for your notebook, congratulations, you're ready. Second, break the Mount Everest of studying into molehills. Don't say, I'm going to study biology for 6 hours. Say, I'll finish 2 pages before I allow myself to check my phone, and yes, I will know if you check your phone. Third, celebrate tiny wins. Got through 1 chapter? Awesome. Do a little victory dance. Nobody has to see it, except your cat. And trust me, your cat already thinks you're weird. Look, motivation doesn't come from staring at your books and hoping. It comes from starting badly if you have to, and letting the momentum build. Because at the end of the day, you don't need to find motivation. You just need to give it a reason to show up. Now put down the goldfish training manual, pick up your notes, and let's make your future self proud. Because they're watching you right now, and they're rolling their eyes.